Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Chalk wheels and set the brake. Next, perform a focused inspection of the door edges, hinges, striker plate, and latch. Look for bent metal, missing fasteners, or worn hinge bushings. This helps you know why it's sticking. Once you see a specific fault, remove any trim or seal obstructing access. This exposes hinge bolts and the latch assembly. Make sure to keep hardware organized, because replacing the same screws saves time and keeps alignment predictable. You loosen the hinge bolts just enough to allow movement. Do not remove them. Gently lift or shift the door into correct alignment using a pry bar or a second person for support. This corrects sag and prevents hunting when closing. While holding it, red-iron bolts in a sequence so alignment doesn't shift. Then check the latch engagement and move the striker plate slightly toward or away. Often 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch fixes binding, because proper contact prevents wear and improves sealing. You finish by replacing any compressed or torn seals with Eptom or neoprene. A good seal keeps water out and stops rubbing. Now cycle the door 10 to 15 times, observing contact points and listening for catches. If everything closes smoothly, apply thread lock to hinge bolts. If binding persists, inspect the frame for twist or out-of-square conditions. This is the key troubleshooting tip. A twisted frame requires shimming or professional frame realignment, because continuing to adjust hardware won't hold if the structure is warped.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.